Number 2 is Flashforge Guider 2 3D Printer. Are you ready to take your LEGO creations to the next level? Then this magnificent machine is a dream come true for all LEGO enthusiasts, offering a fantastic set of features that will make your engineering endeavors a breeze. Picture this, a massive build volume of 280 by 250 by 300 millimeters, giving you plenty of room to bring your wildest LEGO designs to life. Whether crafting intricate structures or working on small-scale production projects, this printer covers you. But it doesn't stop there. The Guider 2 ensures high-quality printing with its high-precision nozzle and a heated plate that can reach up to a toasty 120 degrees Celsius. With its wide range of filament support, including PLA, ABS, PVA, HIPS, PETG, TPU, wood-filled, electric, flexible, and TPE, the Guider 2 opens a world of creative possibilities. Experiment with different materials and achieve stunning results. Are you worried about power outages or filament mishaps ruining your print? Fear not! The Guider 2 has your back with its resume printing function. If the power goes out or your filament breaks, this nifty printer will automatically pick up where it left off, saving you time and reducing waste. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.